Texas basketball surprised everyone with their successful season this year. Everyone, that is, except for the team itself.
And we didn't feel like we overachieved at all. We just put the work in, and it showed.
As long as we put forth the effort, I think that we can beat anybody in the country. I think that we proved that this season. We shocked a lot of people.
There's a lot to look back and be proud of. Just coming into the year, no one really giving us a chance to do anything, and then just seeing what we did. Just saw a lot of the games that we won and that weren't even close to be close at the beginning of the year, and just how we pulled together as a team and how we were playing for each other is something special.
With everyone returning next year, the Horns look forward to continuing a list of goals they set for this season, which includes hanging a Big 12 championship banner here at the Frank Erwin Center.
It feels good knowing everyone's going to come back and that we're going to have another chance to do what our goals were this year, next year, and just to build on that this offseason and just get better at our personal game.
With expectations already running high for next season, Texas is keeping a level head and putting the focus on one thing: improvement.
We're not going to take anything for granted. We're not going to we never have let outside expectations set our bar and where we want to be. And each one of these guys know what they have to do to get better, and they're working at it right now.
Caroline Manning, Fox 7 Sports.